Hi, Ninjani. Nyaphila. I want to talk to broke men. I want to talk to Amadoda Angasebenzi. I want to talk to Amadoda lawa angakhoni ukuba there financially for their partners. So you are in a relationship with someone, and when you guys meet, that person must be aware that they are in a relationship. You are their friend, you are their boyfriend, but not their father. The girl expects you to see ube golf 7, ubaba agana tata, agana 1400, agana quit. The girl expects you not to drive ipolo kwayena aganayo. You understand? How do you put yourself in such toxic relationships whereby as a man, who said being a man it's being financially stable or financially knowing how to assist your girlfriend? Guys, stop putting pressure. I think it's a two-way lento lena. Now as a man, if in the umfazi ongana next awumfuni, let it be into ifunayo. Nani ningasajol nabafazi abangana next, because nani bangani lento ukuthi mawucala utshela umuntu ukuthi ujola nomuntu bese akubuza ukuthi usebenzaphi uyini. Guys, let's talk about toxic girlfriends. Umuntu azofuna ukuthi umenze ikhanda umthengele cosmetic, mangabe unemoto umthelela ipetrol. Yes, no. Like I personally feel like the pressure we're putting emadodeni, it's uncalled for, guys. It's really uncalled for. Now as a woman, akusi easy ukuthi sithole umsebenzi la ngaphandle. Akusi easy na ukuthi namadoda nawathola umsebenzi la ngaphandle. It's very, very difficult. So iban nabo madoda, put a stamp entweni zenu. If umfazi understand ukuthi wena you can't do this, you can't have that, miyekele. If intombi ifuna ukuthi uyithengele with and awukhona uku-afforda, akayi kulaba ba-affordayo. Impilo yimpi bafethu. Kwayena lo mfana usalwela ukuthi abe grand, asize umndeni wakhe, abheke abantwana bakhe, abe sharp. Wena useza nezinto eziningi. If when you are broke as a woman, don't expect a man to do something for you. Now do something, put something on the table, meet him halfway, let it be 50-50. But at the same time, respect that broke man, because in Pilo Yaziwa, you don't know iksasa lakhe. Your dad lakhona, he's broke as fuck, but you're expecting umntwana bantu uhambe ngani ngani. Uhlala RDP mara ufuna hamba umntwana bantu ayoqhashela i-penthouse. Kodwa yini ku-RDP? Guys, we must look at ourselves. Siyenza ama self introspection nathi. Siyekeleni lento esenzayo. It's peer pressure. Angizenzi ngcono or something. But mina nomuntu wami, I know we started from nothing, and we are striving to go somewhere, to be something, to build something together. So personally, I've never dated a guy on a man. You can say whatever you like I don't care. I've never dated a guy just because of what he has, because now kushuthi kahle kahle uthanda lokhu anako. And as a couple, if angazi nidlule through financial problems, nisazocabana strong. Financial problems build you guys, and niyabonana ukuthi kufunekani. Mantombazana hambani nosebenza nani. Niyazi ukuthi kunzima njani labafana basebenza memayini. Noma ngaba i-artisan, do you know how hard these people work? Bese uyabuza umrasela umcefezele uzomtshela ukuthi uMamas boy just because ayenzela umzali wakhe. Right, nawe yenze wakho umntana azokhona ukuyenzela. Guys, in short term, yekelani ukudate amantombazana anifuna for what you guys have. Mshele uhamba ngenyawo, msendele please call ufuna ubese ubone ukuthi uzowenza noma unemoto. Akomcheck ngenyawo. Akomenzele call back ubone ukuthi uzokuphendula thini. Amen.